County line to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, out 20 nautical miles. Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound. Perdido Bay Area, waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:26 a.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from 15 nautical miles northwest of Escambia Bay Bridge to near Perdido Pass to 31 nautical miles southeast of Farewell Buoy, moving east at 10 knots. Hazard, waterspouts. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Locations impacted include Arnica Bay, Pensacola Beach, Pensacola Pass, Fort Pickens, East Bay, Pensacola Bay Bridge, Garcon Point Bridge, Perdido Pass, Pensacola Bay and Orange Beach. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 a.m. Central Daylight Time for southwestern Alabama, northwestern Florida, and the adjacent coastal waters. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time for the following marine locations: Perdido Bay Area, coastal waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Pensacola, Florida to Pascagoula, Mississippi, extending from 20 nautical miles to 60 nautical miles. Pensacola Bay Area including Santa Rosa Sound. Coastal waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line, Florida to Pensacola, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. And waters from Okaloosa, Walton County line to Pensacola, Florida from